Men, a glass of red wine may not just help you unwind. New evidence suggests it could help you in the bedroom too. I'm Shelby Cullinan with your latest health news. A new study from England found that consuming certain flavonoid-rich foods and drinks was tied to a significantly lower risk of erectile dysfunction, or ED, with the greatest benefits seen among men younger than 70. According to the Mayo Clinic, ED is a common condition that occurs when a man can't get or keep an erection firm enough for sex. The study team also looked at other lifestyle factors and found that men who ate flavonoid-rich diets and were also physically active had the lowest risk of ED. A combination of consuming flavonoid-rich foods with regular exercise reduced the risk of ED by 21%. Speak to your doctor about alternative treatments if you suffer from ED.